Hello and welcome to this video by me, Samson Vols, where I will explain how to install color swatch files into Procreate. Now, the first thing you must do is find some color swatches. I offer over 100 for free on my website, anything from landscapes to skin tones to metallics. And once you've downloaded these, all you have to do is select the swatch we're looking for and transfer it to the device which we're using Procreate on. So let's go with City Jaunt, and then you can right-click this and share. You can share it in any way you like to your device. I will show this example using AirDrop. So go to AirDrop, and then we will share it to my iPad. We get that delightful sound as it is imported, and it immediately installs itself onto the app. And then you can go into your color palettes, scroll right to the bottom, and there you will have it. There's City Jaunt right there. Now this is a lovely palette for creating some warm autumnal hues. And if we wanted to share this with someone else, say we made some changes to it and you wanted to give it to a friend, you just have to swipe it to the left like this, and then you will see that you can either share or delete it. And if we click share, you can see it's exported, and now you have the option to send it to another device. So I will resend this back to my computer using AirDrop. And there it is, the delightful sound, and that color palette lands on my desktop. Another cool thing you can do with the swatches is you can rearrange them by holding them and dragging them up and down. And that is your tutorial on Procreate color swatches. If you'd like to download over 100 for free, you can check out the link in my description. Thank you and goodbye.